Once I had diarrhea and it involved me stooling several times in a day. I was unable to eat or drink anything significant during that period. I was very weak, tired, and dehydrated. My doctor recommended that I take a lot of fluids to try and replenish the lost fluids and nutrients I had lost. The same thing applies to the soil. There are certain farming practices and factors that influence the loss of nutrients in the soil. It is the responsibility of the farmer to look for ways to replenish the soil nutrients, and we'll be looking at one of the methods of replenishing soil nutrients today. This method is known as crop rotation, and it is a system of farming whereby different crops are grown on the same piece of land year after year in a definite manner so as to maintain the fertility of the soil. There are principles guiding crop rotation, and we'll be looking at some of those principles today. Before that, take a look at this layout of a 4-year crop rotation plan. Let's get to the principles of crop rotation. Deep-rooted crops like yam and cassava should not follow each other. Shallow-rooted crops should not follow each other as well. Crops which have the same pest or disease should not follow each other to prevent a continuous attack of the pest and diseases on the farm. Crops of the same family should not follow each other as well, and crops which help to control weeds should be planted. It is also important that you include legumes in crop rotation. Why is crop rotation important? Are there conditions that might necessitate crop rotation as an ideal practice? Yes. When you have land that is scarce or limited in supply, crop rotation is ideal because it helps to make the best use of the land. When you have a high population, it's best to practice crop rotation as well. When there's a need to have a variety of crops or maintain the fertility of the soil as discussed earlier, crop rotation should be done. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at some other methods of replenishing soil nutrients. See you then.